Hello, and welcome to another tutorial on how to make a platform game. Today, I will be showing you on how to add gravity to your basic game. If you have been following my previous tutorials, you will be at the same place that I am, right? I had a bit of trouble with the recording, so I've pretty much finished it all, but the recording's gone, so I'm just going to go through what I've done. Okay. What I've done is I've created a script by clicking on that button. Okay. Alright. Here's the script. What it is code. Okay. It's for gravity and movement. Now, what you want to call it in this name area is basic space platformer. Okay. Right, and to write the code, what you want to do is double slash gravity code. Alright, then next new line, if place underscore 3 open bracket x comma y plus 1 close bracket open indented bracket gravity equals 0.5 close indented bracket new line, else new line, indented bracket gravity equals 0 close bracket. Alright, new line, gravity underscore direction equals 270. Alright, now you go down, if you've done it right, you'll be on line 5. If you haven't, then I have no idea what you've done, or you might have just neatened up a bit maybe. Alright, now you want to go down to line 7 and do another double slash left movement. Alright, then new line, if keyboard underscore check underscore pressed bracket VK, which means visual key underscore left bracket new line, indented bracket, which is the start of a block. If you're already familiar to drag and drop. Alright, new line, h speed, which means the horizontal speed, is equal to -6 semicolon, which makes it a variable. Okay. Then what you want to do is new line, and another indented bracket to close it. Okay. Next, what you want to do is highlight and copy and paste it, and then change the wording from left to right, and then take away the and then make the -6 a +6. Okay, make sure that you have done all that. Now you want to close your script by clicking the tick. Alright, and then you want to open up your OBJ player. Alright, and then you want to get rid of all those keyboard events that made him move. Now you want to go into the step event, and then you want to go to execute script. Alright, now you want to execute a basic platformer, and make sure it applies to self, and you don't have to worry about any of the arguments. Alright, we'll leave them for now. Okay, and then click OK. Now you want to add an event, key release left, and you want to execute a piece of code. Alright, and tell it to says h speed equal 0 semicolon. Alright, now you want to right click it, duplicate the event, key release right. Alright, and you want to alright, so that should actually all be sorted. Okay, so let me just check with my other thing. Oops. Okay, in your collision with the wall, you want to get rid of this event action, and you want to replace it with with a bit of code. All right. Now what you type is if v speed is greater than 0 and exclamation mark place underscore free bracket x comma y plus v speed bracket indented bracket move contact bracket 270 bracket alright, then new line v speed would be equal to 0. Okay. Alright, as you can see, this first line of code, this part is red, which means there is an error. And I know what that is. It's because I accidentally did the wrong bracket. It's an indented bracket, and that then fixes it, alright? Let me just check. Yep. Alright, click OK. And alright, so now let me just check if that's all right. Alright, you just want to add a create event, execute piece of code. This is just to add all your global variables, alright? Want h speed equal to 0 and v speed equal to 0. And that should work, and that should do it. Alright, now run the game, and as you know, this takes a while. Alright, so I'm going to pause the recording so that it will actually get that quicker for you. Okay, we're back, and here is the game that has currently been done. Alright, as you notice, I forgot to mention I did change a bit of the room just so I could demonstrate the gravity. Alright, so okay, that needs to be fixed. We'll sort that out. That'll be sorted out off screen. Alright, so let me just show you the gravity. As you can see, he falls down. Alright, but he can't jump yet because I haven't added that in yet. Alright, so that will be for the next video. So let me know in the comments of anything you might want to see, any kind of tutorials you're interested in, and I'll see what I can do. Okay, and in the description will be a link where you can download a GameMaker language converter, so you know you're able to convert your drag and drop into GameMaker language. Alright, so until the next episode, I'll see you later. This has been a Venoms Productions.